land represents majority of the population, and the Godia is the second, followed by Murale and Conakry. Today, Mandera is the area which witnessed transformation, area which lack facilities. In Mandera, were targeted with the new infrastructure. Many health facilities have been built by county government in many areas. The county also strengthened early childhood education after hiring 460 teachers, ECD teachers. The county government have constructed 60 drifts for drainage of storm water. The journey between places had been cut. The journey between Elwak and Mandera before is 10 hours, but now it takes around